I wanted to show you guys that before we went to the store, I just went ahead and made a list of things that we needed per dish that I'm going to be cooking for Thanksgiving, as well as what we're going to have for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I was able to get everything except the 2 bundles of greens. They didn't have any fresh greens on hand, so that was a little bit disappointing. But I'll have to go back Monday or Tuesday to see if they have any fresh greens on hand, because that is imperative. Like, we have to have greens for Thanksgiving. And I definitely don't want to have to use bagged greens, but hopefully Monday or Tuesday, if pushing it Wednesday, I'll be able to get at least 2 bundles of fresh greens. But we were able to get everything else, which is good, for Sunday dinner as well. So Sunday, which is today, we're going to have salmon and pasta. Monday, we're going to have baked potatoes with Parmesan chicken. And Tuesday, we're going to have our regular Taco Tuesday. So we just needed a few things for that. But yeah, so now we can go ahead and get into this video. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lannie. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but we went to the grocery store today, so I thought I would go ahead and get on camera and show you guys what we got. So I'm going to go ahead and start down here with these King Hawaiian rolls. These are super duper yummy. Some taco seasoning. By the way, some of these things are in prep for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. Some other things are just miscellaneous that we needed for the house. Baking soda, some ginger, cranberry sauce. My husband is the only one in this house that likes this. I do not eat this, but he loves it. So we got some of that, some baking powder, rosemary, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, some coffee. This is my favorite, the hazelnut. Some oil. This is the best blend, and this is vegetable oil. We have some paper towels. And you guys, when we went, there were literally maybe 4 rolls of paper towels left on the shelves. So I don't know what is going on, but people are going nuts over paper towels again. So yeah, we have some heavy cream, eggs. This is some cheese dip, some Cool Whip, Grand cinnamon rolls. My kids love these. Hot sauce, vinegar, nutmeg, little crescent rolls, Velveeta, sharp cheddar, Italian 5 cheese blend, extra sharp cheddar, my son's favorite mozzarella sticks, some Townhouse crackers. These are so good, especially with, where is it, this cheese here, these crackers. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Some sugar, of course. Some Blue Diamond almonds. This is wasabi and soy sauce. These are so good. We have 2 of those. Some seasoned breadcrumbs, and this one has pecorino romano cheese, and I'm excited to use that on some chicken. Some grits. Let's go back this way. Some salmon for dinner tonight. I'm actually doing salmon pasta, and I have a video on that, and I will link that if you guys haven't seen that. Some brown sugar and honey breakfast sausage, some butter, 3 of those, some Mott's apple juice. We have 3 of those. They were 3 for $6, I believe. Some chicken stock, 3 of those. Some Cornish hens. For this Thanksgiving, I decided to do Cornish hens instead of a large baked chicken. It's only going to be the 4 of us, so I didn't want to like go too crazy with the amount of food that I prepared this year. So I think the Cornish hens are the perfect size for us. Not too much and not too little. And I'm not a huge fan of turkey, so yeah, the Cornish hens it is. We also picked up some smoked pork hocks, some boneless chicken cutlets, some smoked turkey necks, and these are some russet potatoes, green bell peppers, parchment paper, and some baking pans, some shredded lettuce, pie crust, of course. course, for my sweet potato pies. You guys, I have a video on that I just did not too long ago, and I will also link that in the description below for you guys if you have not seen that. Some asparagus, onions, a big old bag of sweet potatoes. We love our sweet potatoes. Come around this way. Some Gatorade, some Jiffy cornbread. Y'all don't sleep on Jiffy. You can make your own cornbread from scratch, but if you are in a pinch or if you don't feel like making your cornbread from scratch, Jiffy is yummy, in my opinion. Some rice. We have some peach iced tea, some whole milk, and some blackberry lemonade. And I think that's it. Oh, and we also have some wine. This is the Stella Rosa Black. This is the wine that I used for my beef short ribs recipe that I just posted a few weeks ago. If you guys haven't seen that, I will link that too. This is really delicious, and this is new. I haven't seen this one before, but this is the Stella Rosa Blueberry. I like to try different things, so I thought I would give this one a try. And we also have some all-purpose flour here. Well, yeah, that is it for this haul, you guys. The only thing that the store did not have is collard greens, so I will have to go back later on this week to grab a few bundles of those. But other than that, we pretty much have already in our pantry and our freezers and things like that what we will need for Thanksgiving. So let me know in the comments below what you guys plan on doing for Thanksgiving, if you're having a few family members over or it's just going to be you and your immediate family. Let me know what you guys are going to be cooking in the comments below. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for clicking and watching. Please stay safe. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.